Hi guys, in this video I'll be talking about how to sell feed pics online, especially where you can actually sell your feed pics online safe and securely. There are so many websites where you can actually sell your feed pics. This includes Pics, Feetfinder, InstaFeed, $feed. Some even sell them on Instagram, Twitter. So while there are so many platforms and websites to sell feed pics online, there are also scammy websites out there. So it is best to make sure that you actually choose legitimate ones if you're thinking of selling your feed pics online. Just to let you know guys that I'm not affiliated with Feetfinder or any website that sells feed pics out there. I'm just giving you some information so that you guys can find out what you really need to know about selling pics online. So why Feetfinder? Instead of me just doing an overview of all of them in one video, I have decided to do this as a series and do one in each video so that I can at least go deeper to provide you guys with all the information you might need to know for that platform without the video being so long. So in this video, I'm starting with Feetfinder, okay? So at the end of this video, you guys need to stay tuned because I'll be sharing with you some tips to success on Feetfinder. So without further ado, let's get on with it. What is Feetfinder? Feetfinder is a website to buy and sell feed content only. So this is all about feed content, nothing else. So absolutely anybody from anywhere can register on Feetfinder as long as they are 18 years old and over. It has an excellent Trustpilot review rating of 4.8 with over 90% of users marking it as an excellent platform, which is quite good, right? So to sign up, you just go to their website feetfinder.com and press the sign up button, or straight away just choose whether you want to be a buyer or a seller because these are different accounts. So since this video is about selling, then we will just choose sell feed pics. You will then see the welcome message as shown and some more information about the subscription fees. It's not totally free to sell on Feetfinder, just to let you know. So there is a fee of about $4.99 per month, or you can just pay like for a year, which is $14.99. So this might be a bit strange at first. You'll be like, why should I even pay to sell my own content? But it is for your own benefit, as this is the same money used to do part of the marketing to bring in some buyers to your profiles. And also it's a good way to limit, like to only serious users of the website. So it's worth trying just to see how it goes, as you can make this fee back with only one image that you're going to sell, and then the rest of the month or the rest of the year is just profit for you, right? So you can just read more on that through the link on this page as well. When you press continue, you will then find a form where you have to fill in some details and upload your ID. Just follow all the instructions, read and agree to their terms and conditions, then sign up. The process is so quick. It takes about a minute or less depending on different factors such as how fast your internet is, the machine you're using, and etc. You will then wait for an approval. They will then send you an email whether it's approved or not. When your account is approved and active, you can then start uploading your content through my content page. Straight away, you can start selling your content. Sellers can upload unlimited number of photos and videos of 10 minutes long or up to 1 gigabyte. And it's up to you if you want to show your face in your photo, or you can just send only feed pictures to remain anonymous without any problem on Feetfinder. And for the username, this is the profile name that people see. So you can choose any name that you really want. Or to get some ideas, you can also go to Feetfinder and just see what the others are naming themselves, just to get an idea, and then make sure that you make your own unique one which can stand out. So all sellers must be ID verified upfront on Feetfinder. So you need to submit a photo of a government issued ID as well as a selfie with the ID in order to be approved. This is just to make sure that it's really you and not some fake account. And all buyers are required to link a payment card on their profile too, which just makes the website to be secure for both buyers and sellers. Some of the personal information that they do collect from you, like your address, your full name, your bank details, phone number, these are for Feetfinder to use when doing payments to you, and no one else actually sees that information. So just make sure that you do not share any of it to any users at all if you really want it to remain secure. Okay, so if you're liking the content of this video, please click the like button below so that it can reach more people who are also going to find it so helpful. So what happens after you upload your content on Feetfinder? Your uploaded content is automatically read by Feetfinder to buyers so that they get the full clear image or a video after making full payment. However, you can also upload non-blurred preview of your content if you wish to do so. Buyers can instantly buy individual photos or videos from you as a seller, or they can make some requests for custom offers, and it's up to you to decide whether you want to accept that buyer's offers request or not. And you have to set your own prices for your content. You need to have your own pricing strategy. So I'll be sharing you some tips on pricing strategies later on in another video, along with other tips as well of how you can actually keep your game up selling Feetpics online. So when the request is accepted by you, you wait until the payment is done before you send the purchased image or video or whatever they actually requested. How much you can make on Feetfinder depends on the quality of your content, how many followers you've got, your pricing strategy, any external marketing that you're doing to bring in more customers to your profile, and so for instance, if you attract a buyer with your content, they become your loyal customer who will buy from you over and over again. So the more of these customers you have, the more you will make. When it comes to payments, Feetfinder handles all payments through their partners, Pics and SegPay, which are safe and secure. So if you're in the US, then you will receive your payments via SegPay, and you do not need to have any account with SegPay. But if you're outside the US, then you are required to create a Pics account in order for you to get paid, as this is what Feetfinder uses to pay international sellers. I will add some links in the description below so that you can read more on them and create an account if you wish to do so. So you get 80% of each sale that you make with Feetfinder, and they keep 20%. Some of this 20% is used to cover their business expenses and everything that makes it possible for the website to work in a secured and safe way. And they also do a referral program where if you refer a seller, you got to get 10% of their sales. And this 10% also comes from this 20%, not from your sales. So you actually get the full 80% of your sales. And just to mention that you guys, if you're selling in the US and you're making over $600 a year selling Feetpics, then you're required to file taxes. Feetfinder will send you some forms for you to fill in about it. And if you're outside the US, then you should be responsible for filing your own taxes according to your country laws. You guys need to do further research on all these. Don't just take it when somebody else like me just says about it. You need to actually do thorough research on it, alright? For your own safety, admins of Feetfinder do monitor messages constantly on the website in order to spot out some scammers and actually ban them. So if you had a message notification and you can't see the message, just know that this is what actually happened. That's why you can't see that message. Now this is the tips. So if you want to do well selling your Feetpics or videos or content on Feetfinder, then you need to take some or all of these advice into consideration. necessary. Firstly, your feet are your product, so you need to take good care of them so that they can actually look good and attractive to buyers. You do not need to go to a massage salon or professional foot care. You can actually do your own DIY feet care. Buy some feet scrub and scrub your feet to make them smooth. File your toenails and clean them, and do your own feet massage with some foot cream or some lotion just to hydrate your feet. There are so many videos here on YouTube that you can follow on foot care to do your own DIY feet care. Watch them and just follow them. Next one is quality over quantity. Don't just take your phone and then take photos that are not even clear and think that you will sell them on Feetfinder for whatever price you're thinking of. No. It doesn't work that way, girl. You need to take clear and quality pictures so that they can be attractive. And if you do not have any idea on what type of feet content that you can create and which poses are actually selling well, you know where the answer is? It's right there on Feetfinder. Go there on the website and look around, see what others are doing, just to have an idea on what you can actually do with your feet and make yours as unique as you can. And the other thing is that there are so many categories where you can actually upload your feet content on Feetfinder. So buyers can actually search for content in different ways, by keyword, by age, race, gender, username, category. So for you to have a wider chance of coming up when a search is made, just make sure that your content descriptions and titles are so detailed. And also, you can do your own marketing using social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and you can just add your profile link there so that buyers can just come straight to your profile to make some purchases. This will make you gain more followers and buyers. Of course, Feetfinder does some marketing for you where buyers will find you by affirming the searches, but adding your own marketing strategies will actually take you a long way. Trust me on that one. So one of the videos in this series, I will just be talking about marketing strategies only so that I can share with you guys how you can actually take your feed pic business to that next level. So if you're not subscribed yet, do not forget to hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.